Welcome my ladies, welcome to the Board of Translation. This is the solution of the video which was uploaded in the morning of 7th February 2021 for class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. For class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Sentence number 1. Today I am not going to upload the written solution. I am not going to upload written solution, but today I will dictate you. Come on, right? Sentence number 1. वह लिखती है. You have already written वह लिखती है. She writes. S-H-E she. S-H-E she. W-R-I-T-E-S. Please check it. W-R-I-T-E-S. She writes. See, here we check she. She is singular. Therefore we add s with verb. Verb के साथ हम s लगाते हैं. She writes. वह लिखती है. It is present indefinite tense affirmative. Means positive. Means assertive. वह लिखती है. She writes. S-H-E she. W-R-I-T-E-S. Writes. She writes. Sentence number 2. मोहन नहीं सुनता है. मोहन M-O-H-A-N मोहन. Please check. M-O-H-A-N Mohan does not. D-O-E-S does. N-O-T not. Does not. H-E-A-R here. Here की जगह you can use L-I-S-T and listen. T is silent. Mohan does not listen or Mohan does not hear. Please check it. We come to sentence number 3. क्या सीता रोती है? You have already written क्या सीता रोती है in Hindi and you have translated it also. Does. D-O-E-S does. Please check. D-O-E-S does. सीता. S-I-T-A सीता. रोती है. Weep. W-E-E-P weep. W-E-E-P weep. Does सीता weep? Please check it. Either tick or cut. And if it is wrong, तो please correct it. Does सीता weep? Sentence number 4. राम क्यों लिखता है? राम क्यों लिखता है? राम लिखता है. राम writes. I am asking राम क्यों लिखता है? क्यों? Why? W-H-Y. W-H-Y. D-O-E-S does. D-O-E-S does. R-M Ram. W-R-I-T write. Write means लिखना. Why does Ram write? Why does Ram write? Next. Number 5. क्या वह नहीं नाचता है? Present indefinite tense. Interrogative negative. With क्या? With क्या? क्या वह नहीं नाचता है? Does. D-O-E-S does. Please check. D-O-E-S does. H-E he. N-O-T not. नाचता है. Dance. D-A-N-C dance. Dance means नाचना. Does he not dance? D-O-E-S does. H-E he. N-O-T not. D-A-N-C dance. Does he not dance? Go for the next. Number 6. रामू क्यों नहीं हंसता है? रामू क्यों नहीं हंसता है? क्यों? Why? क्यों? Why? Does. D-O-E-S does. D-O-E-S does. Ramu. R-A-M-U Ramu. R-A-M-U Ramu. N-O-T not. N-O-T not. L-A-U-G-H laugh. L-A-U-G-H laugh. Why does Ramu not laugh? Why does Ramu not laugh? Now the next one. वह पुस्तक पढ़ रहा है. Number 7. It is present continuous tense affirmative. वह पुस्तक पढ़ रहा है. वह he. Because he is a boy or man. He. है is. I-S is. पढ़ रहा. Reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. 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 He is reading a BWK book. He is reading a book. Please check it. Next. Sentence number 8. लड़के नहीं आ रहे हैं. लड़के नहीं आ रहे हैं. THE B-O-Y-S boys, B-O-Y-S boys, A-R-E-R, N-O-T not, आ रहे coming, C-O-M-I-N-G, C-O-M-E plus I-N-G, तो I is deleted, I is removed, I-E is removed and I-N-G is added, C-O-M-I-N-G, C-O-M-I-N-G. The boys are not coming, लड़के नहीं आ रहे हैं. Now the next one is 9. क्या छाया तैर रही है? क्या छाया तैर रही है? Please check it. Is, I-S-S, छाया, C-H-A-A-Y-A or C-H-A-Y-A, छाया. Chaya is a name. Chaya is a name. It is proper noun. Therefore, C will be capital. Is Chaya swimming? S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Is Chaya swimming? Next, number 10. लड़के कहाँ शोर मचा रहे हैं? लड़के कहाँ शोर मचा रहे हैं? नंबर 10. Where? कहाँ माने where? कहाँ means where? W-H-E-R-E where? Where means कहाँ? Where are the boys making a noise? W-H-E-R-E where? A-R-E-R, T-H-E the, B-O-Y-S boys, M-A-K-I-N-G making, N-O-I-S-E noise. Why are the boys making a noise? Sentence number 11. क्या लड़के काम नहीं कर रहे हैं? क्या लड़के काम नहीं कर रहे हैं? क्या? The sentence here, the sentence starts with क्या. Therefore, the helping verb are. Helping verb are means क्या. Helping verb are. In this sentence, are means क्या. Are the boys not doing the work? A-R-E-R, T-H-E the, B-O-Y-S boys, N-O-T not, D-O-I-N-G doing, T-H-E the, W-O-R-K work. Are the boys not doing the work? Or are the boys not working? Are, A-R-E-R, T-H-E the, B-O-Y-S boys, N-O-T not, working, W-O-R-K plus I-N-G, working, W-O-R-K-I-N-G, working. 11 number. Now number 12. हम क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं? Why are we not eating? हम क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं? हम क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं? Present continuous tense, interrogative negative. Why are we not eating? Why? Why means क्यों? R is helping verb. A-R-E-R. W-E-V. V means हम. N-O-T not means नहीं. Eating, E-A-T plus I-N-G, eating. Why are we not eating? नंबर 13. वंश मंदिर जा चुका है. वंश मंदिर जा चुका है. 13 नंबर. V-A-N-S-H वंश, H-S has, G-O-N-E gone, T-O-2, T-H-E the, temple, T-E-M-P-L-E temple. Vansh has gone to the temple or Vansh has gone to the temple. Here we use has or have and third form of the verb. So Vansh is singular to has. Vansh has. Go went gone. Gone is the third form of go. Go went gone to the temple. Vansh has gone to the temple. 14 number. वे आम नहीं खा चुके हैं. वे आम नहीं खा चुके हैं. वे दे के साथ क्या आएगा? हैव. नहीं नॉट. दे हैव नॉट. T-H-E-Y दे. H-A-V हैव. N-O-T not. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten. E-A-T-E-N eaten. They have not eaten mango. They have not eaten mango. Or they have not eaten mangoes. M-A-N-G-O mango. M-A-N-G-O-E-S mangoes. 15 नंबर. क्या राघव पानी पी चुका है? क्या राघव पानी पी चुका है? क्या? द सेंटेंस हिंदी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ क्या. देयरफॉर हैज. राघव के साथ हैज आता है. हैज, H-S हैज. राघव, R-A-G-H-A-V राघव. हैज राघव drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk. W-A-T-E-R, water. Has Raghav drunk water? Has Raghav drunk water? Has Raghav drunk water? Yes, number 15. क्या राघव पानी पी चुका है? क्या? Has, H-S has, Raghav, R-A-G-H-A-V, Raghav, drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk. W-A-T-E-R, water. Has Raghav drunk water? Third form of drink, D-R-A-N-K, drink, D-R-A-N-K, drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. 16 number. हम दिल्ली क्यों जा चुके हैं? Why, W-H-Y, H-A-V, have, W-E-V, G-O-N-E, gone, T-O-2, D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. Why have you gone to Delhi? हम दिल्ली क्यों जा चुके हैं? Why have we gone to Delhi? 17 number. क्या तुम खाना नहीं बना चुके हो? क्या? क्या तुम? Have, H-A-V, have, Y-O-U-U, N-O-T, not. Have you not? खाना बनाने की क्या होती है बता दो? कुक, सी डबल ओ के कुक, सी डबल ओ के कुक, कुक मीन्स खाना बनाना. कुक, कुक्ड, कुक्ड. फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट फॉर्म कुक, सेकंड फॉर्म कुक्ड, थर्ड फॉर्म कुक्ड. सी डबल ओ के ई डी, कुक्ड. हैव यू नॉट कुक्ड? हैव यू नॉट कुक्ड द फूड? सम में राइट. हैव यू नॉट कुक्ड द फूड, बट it is sufficient. Have you not cooked? 18 number. लड़के अपना काम खत्म क्यों नहीं कर चुके हैं? लड़के अपना काम क्यों नहीं कर चुके हैं? लड़के अपना काम खत्म क्यों नहीं कर चुके हैं? Why, W-H-Y, why means क्यों? Why, English sentence will start with why. After that we will use helping verb, H-A-V, have. The boys के साथ have, why have, H-A-V, have. लड़के, the boys, T-H-E, the, B-O-Y-S, boys. नहीं, N-O-T, not. Finished, F-I-N-I-S-H, finish, finish, finished, finished. तीनों फॉर्म याद करेंगे. Finish, finished, finished. F-I-N-I-S-H, finish, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished. Finish, finished, finished. अपना, अपना, T-H-E-I-R, there, here, they के साथ there, the boys के साथ there means अपना. काम, W-R के work. Why have the boys not finished their work? Okay, my ladies, this translation exercise assignment, homework assignment is completed. Please tell your parents, elder sister, elder brother to check it properly and give the marks. Please send me the marks. Your final result will be prepared on the marks you got in this assignment. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.